Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, I hope you had a good holiday. It was definitely hot. It's typically the unofficial end to summer, but for us it's just like, I think, the third quarter, and now we're into the final quarter, so thank goodness for that. Here's what's going on tonight. A few showers and thunderstorms a little bit earlier this evening. Some of the activity pretty heavy right around the dinner hour, and then we had another little round pop up, but things quieting down now. In Broward, after some rumbling of thunder and some brief downpours, just a little bit of light rain out there now, and coastal thunderstorms. Miami-Dade pretty much the same story. Line of showers a little bit earlier, marching its way to the east towards I-95 has just about fallen apart. So going to be quiet the rest of the night. A few thunderstorms along coastal locations, but that is about it. Made it to 95 today at MIA, just shy of the record of 96 set just a few years ago in 2019, and mid-90s stay through much of Miami-Dade, low 90s in much of Broward. We're going to see a repeat again tomorrow with low to possibly mid-90s again, and then by the time we get to the weekend, finally we're going to get a little bit of a break from the heat. Current temperatures, upper 70s to the low 80s. At least we're getting some afternoon storms to break the afternoon heat, and that's going to continue. In fact, our moisture chances increase a little bit tomorrow and for Wednesday, so a better chance for showers and thunderstorms. They may even get underway a little bit sooner tomorrow, not wait until the end of the day. And then as we go into the weekend, finally we get more of an ocean breeze, and that's going to push the storms over to the west coast and give us just some tropical showers and push the heat away as well. In the tropics, one little area we're watching here, it's a weak disturbance that's just north of the Yucatan in the south central parts of the Gulf of Mexico. It's forecast to drift to the northeast. Tropical development is fairly unlikely with this system as it moves into the northeast Gulf, across the land there, and then maybe into the western Atlantic. The other big deal is Big Larry out there in the middle of the Atlantic. Big, what we call annular type hurricane, which means a big eye wall and a big eye as well. There were times that the eye was about 60 to 70 miles across. It has contracted a little bit this evening, but Larry continuing to move to the northwest there. Category 3, winds 125 miles an hour, moving northwest to 10 to future track. Keeps Larry basically over the open water, a close brush for Bermuda, and then just a big North Atlantic storm that will likely affect Europe once it gets up there by next week. In terms of effects to the U.S., it's probably just going to be the waves. Big wave swells will be coming and reaching the coast by the middle of the week there. Some of those waves near the center of Larry up to around 45 feet. And then Larry turns to the northeast, and you can see the wave action there continuing up the east coast. Here's our forecast for tonight. Mostly quiet now. The showers continuing to fade out. Quiet overnight, low temperature in the mid-70s for tomorrow. Hot and humid sun once again. Temperatures in the low to mid-90s. Feels like temperatures above 100. And afternoon storms get underway again. Some heavy downpours expected. Winds pretty light on the water. Seas 1 to 2 feet, mostly smooth on the bays. Through the rest of the week, several more hot and humid days with afternoon storms. Then in the weekend, a little bit of heat relief. Back to you.